In this video, we will learn the safe procedure for lifting a cylinder liner inside the engine room. The most important part of this job is following the lifting safety checklist because cylinder liners are extremely heavy components.
Lifting operations inside an engine room involve serious risks. A cylinder liner may weigh several tons, and improper lifting can cause equipment damage or serious injury. Therefore, lifting operations must only begin after completing the safety checklist.
Before any lifting operation begins, a permit to work must be issued. A risk assessment must be conducted, and a proper lifting plan must be prepared describing the load, lifting method, crane capacity, and personnel involved.
Before any lifting operation begins, a permit to work must be issued. All lifting gear must be inspected carefully before use. This includes checking slings, chain blocks, shackles, and lifting eyes for any visible defects. The date of the last test and color coding must also be verified to ensure certification is valid. The engine room overhead crane must be tested and certified by an approved authority. Only a trained and authorized operator should operate the crane, and the entire team must be familiar with the lifting procedure. The rigger responsible for slinging the load must be properly trained and authorized. The weight of the load must be confirmed and must always be below the safe working load of the lifting equipment.
Tag lines must be attached to the load to prevent swinging during lifting. There should be only one designated signalman to communicate with the crane operator. Sharp edges must be protected using padding to avoid damaging slings. Before dismantling begins, the engine must be made completely safe. The starting air system must be isolated, indicator cocks opened, and the turning gear engaged and locked to prevent crankshaft movement. Next, the cylinder unit must be isolated from cooling and fuel systems. Cooling water must be drained and the cylinder head removed using the lifting tool. Before lifting the liner, the wear ridge at the top of the liner must be ground off. This prevents damage to piston rings. The piston assembly must also be removed before lifting the liner. The liner lifting screws must be tightened to the correct torque. According to the manufacturer, it is important to ensure full contact between the lifting screw and the liner surface before lifting. The crossbar is attached to the engine room crane, and the chain is connected to the liner lifting screws. The liner must be lifted slowly and carefully, while engineers guide the load using tag lines. During lifting, the load must remain balanced and stable. No personnel should stand under the suspended load, and the surrounding area must be cleared for safety. Once the liner is removed, it must be placed vertically on wooden blocks. The cylinder frame should be cleaned and inspected carefully before installing a new or reconditioned liner.